In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix Google Drive slow upload or download speed. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you want to do is that you want to go over to your settings and then go over to your battery. And then if power saving is on, you want to make sure that you want to switch it off. Make sure that power saving is off. So turn off power saving or battery saver, whatever, turn it off. Then once you do that, the second thing you want to do is that you want to switch from data. So if you're using data, you want to switch from data and use Wi-Fi. That will really increase the speed of your upload or download. So find the nearest Wi-Fi and connect to the nearest Wi-Fi, and that should solve your problem. The third way is by going over to the Google Drive app. So go over to the Google Drive app, but don't open it. You can simply long click on it and then go over to, long click and then go over to the info by clicking on this I option right over here. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to go over to the storage and then clear the cache. So click on clear cache, and by doing that the cache will be cleared, and this should improve your upload or download speed. So that's how you can simply improve or fix Google Drive slow upload or download speed. If you found this video helpful or if it worked, please comment in the section below, in the comment section right below. And thank you for watching this video. In this case, I'll see you in the next one.